Imagine, if you will, biting into a slice of authentic Neapolitan-style pizza. The tangy San Marzano tomatoes, the creamy mozzarella cheese, the fresh basil, and the rich extra virgin olive oil all coming together in a perfect symphony of flavors. This, my friends, is the magic of pizza napoletana, a simple yet exquisite dish that hails from the vibrant city of Naples. Or perhaps you prefer the rich and creamy pasta carbonara. This classic Roman dish is a testament to the power of simple ingredients. Spaghetti, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, guanciale or pancetta, and black pepper all combine to create a sauce that is both hearty and comforting. Now let's travel to the region of Emilia-Romagna, the birthplace of lasagna. Imagine layers upon layers of flat pasta, hearty bolognese sauce, silky bechamel, and sharp Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, all baked to perfection. Each bite is a delightful journey through the different textures and flavors. Next, we venture to Milan, the home of risotto alla Milanese. This creamy and saffron-infused risotto dish is often served with osso buco, a Milanese specialty consisting of cross-cut veal shanks, braised with vegetables, white wine, and broth. The result? Tender, flavorful meat that melts in your mouth. Who can resist the charm of ravioli? These fresh pasta parcels, filled with various ingredients such as ricotta and spinach, served with a rich tomato or butter-based sauce, are a true Italian delight. And let's not forget about Italy's sweet treats. Gelato, Italy's version of ice cream, is known for its dense and creamy texture, intense flavors, and use of fresh ingredients. Then there's tiramisu, a popular coffee-flavored dessert made with layers of ladyfingers, mascarpone cheese, cocoa, and espresso. It's a heavenly, creamy concoction that is sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. But Italy's culinary wonders are not just about pasta and desserts. Consider panzanella, a refreshing Tuscan salad made with chunks of soaked stale bread, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, basil, and olive oil. It's a burst of flavors and textures that is sure to delight your palate. And finally, we have the arancini. These Sicilian deep-fried rice balls, typically filled with ragu, tomato sauce, mozzarella, and peas, are a delightful and flavorful snack or meal. They're a perfect representation of the richness and diversity of Italian cuisine. We've embarked on a delicious journey through Italy, exploring some of its most iconic dishes. From the simple yet flavorful pizza napoletana to the rich and creamy pasta carbonara, the hearty lasagna, the delicate risotto alla Milanese, the delightful ravioli, the sweet gelato and tiramisu, the refreshing panzanella, and the flavorful arancini. Each dish tells a story of its own, reflecting the history, culture, and traditions of its region. It's an edible testament to Italy's culinary prowess and a celebration of food that is made with love, passion, and the freshest of ingredients. So the next time you sit down for an Italian meal, remember, you're not just eating food, you're experiencing a piece of Italy's rich culinary heritage.